How you doing, everybody? Greg Luchak with Luchak Real Estate and Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage, bringing you a fantastic home listing tour. Property I'm standing in front of today is 10126 Angeles Road. This property is located here in Peyton, and this is a phenomenal lot within the Meridian Ranch subdivision. As you guys know, with Meridian Ranch, it's a very active lifestyle community. You've got a neighborhood rec center, which is located just down the street, about 100 yards. You've got a fantastic community park sitting directly behind the house, where you've got gate access straight to the park from your house, and you've got a walking trail there on the side of the house here to the left, so you have no neighbor immediately to your left. Property's nearly 3,400 square feet. You've got 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, good sized 2-car garage, and a phenomenal layout. 10126 Angeles Road. Let's take a closer look. Now, as you enter this home, you've got a fantastic open floor plan that just greets you right away. Immediately upon entry, you've got the beautiful prom staircase to the upper level, and you've got this fantastic formal living room here. Nice open that leads to this 3-sided fireplace that takes you around either side, where you've got a spacious family room. You notice a ton of natural light in this house and a really wide open floor plan with big open rooms, nicely separated to give you tons of flexibility. From the family room, we lean into the kitchen. We've got a beautiful kitchen with Corian countertops. You've got a huge kitchen with a center island. The appliances are all included. You've got a ton of cabinet space with 42-inch cabinets with a nice molding on top. You've got a nice counter bar and an eat-in dining area as well that walks out to that spacious backyard. On the main level, you've also got a nice mudroom off of the garage for the laundry, and then a nice half bath kind of tucked away privately there as well. The backyard is fantastic, fully landscaped. You've got a fantastic extended patio off the huge deck. And again, you've got a good lawn space back there, nice space for a garden. And again, you've got that park directly behind that you can lead out the gate straight to the park. Going upstairs, you've got 4 fantastic bedrooms on the upper level. So you've got 4 bedrooms, again, spacious, and it's very rare to have 4 bedrooms on a floor plan on one level. So that's really great for families or people with kids, obviously. And you've got a fantastic master suite. Master suite is spacious, large, has ceiling fan, great views out the back, open to the park, and a huge walk-in closet. You've also got an attached 5-piece bathroom with separate sinks, a nice deep garden tub, and a huge separate shower. The basement is fully finished as well. You've got a fantastic rec room down there, the home's 5th bedroom, a 3-quarter bathroom, and you've got a bunch of storage space down there that can be also turned into the home's 6th bedroom if you need any extra space from there. As with all my homes, this property does come with a 14-month home warranty transferable to the buyer upon closing. So not only do you get a fantastic home in a prime Meridian Ranch location, but you do get the peace of mind that comes with that home warranty as well. If you'd like more information on this home, please visit my website, www.makespringshome.com. Or if you'd like a personal tour of this beautiful property, please give me a call directly at 719-271-8888. Thanks so much.